Hello and welcome to Wide Out World. Wow! In this video we're going to show you how to carry out an addition sum using the compact column method. This sum also has regrouping. What regrouping means is that if you have 10 ones, you can regroup them to become one 10. The same idea occurs with tens. If you have 10 tens, you can regroup them to become one 100. If you have 10 hundreds, you can regroup them to become one 1000. This is really important in this sum, as you will soon see. So here is today's sum, 4,386 plus 132. We're going to use place value counters to get to our answer. So first thing is to create the sum. So there are 6 ones. Eight tens, three hundreds, and 4,000s in 4,386. In 132, there are 2 ones, so we place those in our ones column. There are 3 tens, so place those in our tens column. And there is 1 100. We can now start to count up each of the columns to find out how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones altogether. In the tens column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. We can't have 11 in one column. Therefore, what we're going to need to do is regroup 10 of our tens into 100. So I've got 8 tens up here, plus 2 more, makes our 10 tens. Those 10 tens can become 100 with regrouping. So I'm going to place that extra 100 into the hundreds column. That means I'm now left with just 1 10 in my tens column. So I can change that from an 11 to 1 10. If I now move into my hundreds column and count up how many hundreds I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the 100 that I regrouped from the 10 tens. And finally in my thousands column I have 1, 2, 3, 4 thousands. So the answer is 4,518.